Did you know that the freest person in a castle might be the one no one ever looks at? She has polished these floors for 30 years. The same stone corridors, the same cold mornings before anyone else wakes. She moves through the halls like a shadow, and the nobles above her never once say her name. From the outside, it looks like erasure, like she simply does not exist. But something strange lives inside her chest. A quiet that has no name. She is not waiting for praise. She is not performing for anyone watching. She does not need the Lord's approval to know the floor is clean. She knows it herself. And in that knowing, something opens up. She is not trapped by anyone's opinion of her. She cannot be crushed by their silence because she never needed their voice to begin with. The nobles above her chase recognition every single day. She already has something they do not. She works for the work itself. And that is the only freedom that cannot be taken. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.